It's hard to believe we've ended up at the top of the mountain. Mental. But we're up here. When we first came in, there was loads of like Spanish vans. They've all gone. So we're on the camper park up here. Just round the corner there's a German van from Garmisch-Partenkirchen, and we got some neighbours from Nottingham in a little VW transporter that are doing a bit of van life, and that's it. It's us, a few cans of Camden Hells, olive trees, incredible scenery. Yeah, so they've got a couple of toilets down there. All you need: water, chemical toilet, dustbin inlet, grey water drain, everything you need right up in this place. Electricity is €1 for 2 hours. So we're kind of like, we're not even hooked up yet, so we're probably going to get the air fryer on in a minute, and then we'll chuck in our euro, do our tea, because apart from that we don't need any electricity really, so it'll be on charge for 2 hours. Ideal. Yeah, there we go. I just walked down and there's a bit of a sink there, look, for doing a bit of washing up. There's an outside shower if you want it. There's the toilets. And I was checking out this board actually. There's a few stickers on here, look. A few stickers. Don't know if anybody recognises anybody here. So some YouTubers. We put our stickers on there as well. Yeah.